Hey everyone, welcome to the Dietix. This side Manisha, a certified nutritionist and a health and fitness coach. So today we're gonna talk about some easy healthy dinner recipes that will gonna help you in staying fit and losing weight as well. So let's start. As the advice you must have got many times from people that you should avoid dinner or eat something light at the night. So this video is meant for those who are looking for some easy and healthy recipes for your dinner. A healthy dinner might give you a picture of bland and dull salads, flavorless balls of food that might turn you off. Since the popular notion of healthy food remains to the date that it can't be delicious and appetizing, we only think of boring dishes like a salad bowl, clear soup and anything that is tasteless. However, this is not the real case. You can eat healthy without compromising much on the taste and flavors, because going healthy doesn't really mean banning all the carbs and fat from your diet. Indian cuisine is all about mouth-watering delicacies packed with flavorful spices and herbs, cooked in oil and butter. And perhaps this is one of the reasons why we cannot imagine Indian food and healthy dinner together. We know we usually get bored of eating the same kind of food every day, but different cooking techniques and ingredients added to the same dishes may allow you to enjoy them in a healthier way. So let's start with our first recipe. That is Sabudana Khichdi, the ultimate comfort food of India. Khichdi is a light and easy dish to prepare. It is popularly made with just two basic ingredients, that is rice and lentils, which bring a sense of warmth and comfort. However, there are many versions of khichdi made in different households around the country. This version of khichdi is cooked with sabudana and garnished with curry leaves, perfect to cook and relish during the Navratri season as well. Next recipe is Palak Paneer, a favorite dinner recipe. Palak Paneer is a gravy dish that you can eat with rice or roti. It has cottage cheese or paneer chunks doused in thick, flavorful spinach curry. Spinach is one of the most nutritious green leafy vegetable that you can include in your diet, loaded with fiber, vitamin A and antioxidants. Palak is one of the healthy yet delicious vegetable to cook for dinner. Next is vermicelli chicken biryani. Vermicelli is a versatile, healthier ingredient that you can replace or add to any recipe to make it a healthier version of it. You can enjoy your favorite biryani recipe packed with mouth-watering rich spices such as Malabar peppercorns, cardamom, clove and red chili powder. Just replacing rice with vermicelli and cooking with the same spices and herbs would make them all difference. Don't believe us? Then try it yourself and let us know your experience in the comment section below. Next is Moong Dal Khichdi, a perfect one-pot meal, easy to prepare with all the essential nutrients and surprisingly light, thus considered to be a comforting food. Next in the line is Oats Idli. This nutritious Oats Idli is an easy and light dish to prepare. A perfect breakfast food, this idli has replaced rice with healthy oats, which is the best for those who are health conscious. Do try all these recipes to meet your health goals. Also, do like, share and subscribe the Dietix and tell us in the comment section how you like the video. Thank you.